I'm Jennifer Ledwith of Scholar Ready, where we prepare families financially and academically for college. Today's writer is concerned that her life is too boring to come up with a topic for a college admissions essay. So I have four takes and one action item. Number one, the letter writer is concerned about having a major at in the senior year of high school. There are students who start college without having declared a major. You'll be okay. Number two, the letter writer complains about not having any interests or hobbies. Well, you actually do have hobbies, letter writer. You enjoy games, you enjoy theater, and because your school lacks extracurricular activities, why don't you start a club that centers one of these interests? Number three, all colleges do not want perfect grades. And you're complaining about this whole issue of you don't know if you're unique enough. Just by you being an individual, you're going to be unique. Look, every college is striving to design an eclectic, a certain kind of freshman class. You'll fit in somewhere. Don't conflate uniqueness with these extraordinary things that you think people are doing when you turn on the social media. Focus on what you've done as opposed to other people. And number four, your relationship with your parents is not a trauma dump. It actually does show growth because you were able to convince them to do something that you couldn't do at first. And number five, here is my action item that the letter writer and that other readers who are worried about their essay topics, here's my action item. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Sit down for 20 minutes in front of a computer screen or in front of a piece of paper with a pen and write a list of 10 obstacles that you've overcome. So that's it. 4 observations and 1 action item. Good luck.